Let's bring in CBS 13 political analyst Gary Dietrich now with the implications, Gary, that Ginsburg death has on the high court.
Well, they're huge. I mean, let's make no mistake about it. This will be the third nominee for President Trump. And make no mistake about it, while there's been already, voices raised, we need to wait till after the election. Remember, we heard that before. That's not going to happen. The White House has already said, we know that the president already had a short list. They've already said they're going to put a name forward. Mitch McConnell's already contacted Republican members in his own chambers. There will be a nominee. That nominee almost certainly will be voted on. And, this president has the opportunity, regardless of what happens on November 3rd, to shape the Supreme Court in ways that most presidents only dream about.
Yeah, in fact, Mitch McConnell just sent out a note that AP covered and gave us an alert on that there will be a full Senate vote on this, because let's talk timing, Gary. Even if Republicans who hold the Senate, regardless of what happens in November, they hold it until January 3rd, then President Trump, even if he's defeated, will stay in office until January 20th. So they do have time to fill this seat regardless of the outcome of the election, as you touched on.
Yeah, and I think it's going to move more quickly than that even, Tony. I don't think they're going to be waiting till after November 3rd to get this nomination moving forward. There's just too much at stake for both sides in this. There will be a lot of pressure for the president to name a woman because Ruth Bader Ginsburg, notably the second woman ever on the Supreme Court, he apparently does have at least one woman on his short list who's quite highly regarded. So there will be a lot of discussion. And honestly, next to the elections nationwide, this Supreme Court nomination will absolutely dominate thinking inside the Beltway for weeks, if not months to come.
I want to get one more point in that I'm reading from NPR, National Public Radio, reporting that Ginsburg dictated a statement to her granddaughter shortly before her death in which she said, quote, "My most fervent wish is that I will not be replaced until a new president is installed." That is reportedly what she told her granddaughter. But as you said, Republicans want to fast track this, so we'll watch it closely. Gary, thanks for your time.